In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Update on Windows 11 step-by-step guide. Let's begin. Alright, so move your cursor to the start icon in the taskbar. Click on it, then head over to the top here where the search bar is, and type in Services. Now under Best Match, choose Services by System. Then you're going to keep scrolling until you see Windows Update. Click on it, then right-click and choose Properties. Head over to this area where it says Startup Type. Select the drop-down option, then choose Disabled. And where it says Service Status, if it says Running, make sure that you choose Stop. And then you're going to go to the bottom right of this window, then choose Apply, then OK. So what this basically does is it's going to prevent Windows updates from running on your system because you disabled it. And there you go. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.